ना देखिए ज़रा सा हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं वेरी फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स very first lecture of electronics. After discussing this first lecture, once I discuss this first lecture, you will be feeling that electronics is the very much simple subject of the entire syllabus. Clear है यहाँ पर बात समझ में आया? आप पहले लेक्चर के बाद ये महसूस करने लग जाएंगे कि सच में हाँ ये सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में बहुत आसान है, बहुत स्कोरिंग है. Those who are feeling very much difficulties, very much toughness regarding this subject, though this subject is very simple and very beautiful regarding understanding point of view, regarding scoring point of view, in every aspects clear. तो हम लोग इसको डिस्कस करते हैं. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं, बहुत बिल्कुल बेसिक से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. देखिए ज़रा सा, say for example this is one resistor here, resistance R. Say this current is moving like that I, and this current reaching here also, it is nothing but simply I. Is it clear or not? This is plus and this is minus. Say this polarity I have assumed, this is plus, this is minus, this voltage V. Sometimes V is equal to written as, it is nothing but simply IR as per Ohm's law. Again I am writing here one resistance, it is nothing but simply R. Current coming here I, current reaching here also I. This is minus, this is plus, this is V. Now V I am writing it as minus IR. Why this condition is like that? See, ऐसा condition क्यों है? Please try to understand. There is a rule of nature. Nature का एक rule है. There is a rule of nature that flow is taken place from higher concentration to lower concentration. Is it clear or not? बहाव हमेशा ज्यादा से कम की तरफ होता है. This current is moving from here to here, and this is nothing but simply plus minus, high to low. Is it clear? This plus is nothing but high, this minus is nothing but low. This current is moving from high to low, and this is the natural phenomenon. This is the natural phenomenon. Anything that follows natural phenomena, natural process, this written as plus. But this current moving is from minus to plus. This is low to high against natural phenomenon. That's why I'm writing it as minus IR. I hope you got the idea. Clear है यहाँ पर बात समझ में? Anything which obeys the natural process, that is nothing but simply written in terms of plus. Anything which is flowing against the natural process, natural phenomena, it will be written as minus. Or in simple, from now onwards, in order to avoid this everything, again I am writing like that. Say this is plus, this is minus, this is V, this is R, this current is like that I, this current is also like that I, this is minus, this is plus, this is V, this is R. This voltage V is equal to minus IR, because current is moving from low to high, कम से ज्यादा. यहाँ करंट ज्यादा से कम, दैट्स वाई आई एम राइटिंग इट एज आई आर. ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस को फॉलो कर रहा है, ये नेचुरल प्रक्रिया के खिलाफ है. इतना सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपली करंट ऐसे जा रहा है. देखिए करंट ऐसे आया, पहली पोलैरिटी कौन सी मिली? प्लस. आंसर लिखो प्लस में. करंट ऐसे आया, देखिए पहली पोलैरिटी कौन सी मिली? माइनस. राइट द आंसर इन टर्म्स ऑफ माइनस एंड प्लस. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? So this is a very simple process how to write the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR or V is equal to minus IR. Anything if you want you can write like that. Is it clear or not? So I hope you got the idea. Is it clear? Say for example, I am taking this as a inductor. Inductor you can take it as like this. This is voltage across inductor VL. Current, say for example, this is nothing but simply IL, I subscript L, and this inductance is nothing but simply L. Again I am taking this inductance L. This is minus, this is plus, this current is like that, this current is IL, this voltage is VL, I subscript L, VL. Now a voltage across inductor VL, current across inductor IL. L is the inductance. Now voltage across inductor, I want to write, that is nothing but IL, VL. VL is the voltage across inductors. This current is moving like that. What is the first polarity? Plus. Write down plus. आपको मालूम है फार्मूला, L DIL upon it is nothing but dt. This is the formula of the voltage across inductor. But here current is moving like that. What is the initial polarity? Minus. Write down here minus L DIL. upon dt. Is it clear? Or this is very simple process to write voltage as well as current, how to assume the polarity. Now I hope you will not commit mistake. Is it clear or not? Now for example, say this is the capacitor here, capacitance C. Say this is the capacitor here, capacitance C. Voltage across this VC, voltage across this VC, current across this IC, current across this IC, current across this IC, current across reaching here also IC. IC का मतलब capacitor current, VC का मतलब capacitor voltage. IC means capacitor current, VC means capacitor voltage. Clear? See, demand is there actually to read in terms, to teach in terms of both the language, that is English as well as Hindi, because South Indian peoples are also listening these all lectures. That's why I have to explain each and every point in English as well as Hindi. Is it clear or not? Because if I teach completely English, then North Indian people find difficult to understand, because हरियाणा राजस्थान इधर के जो बच्चे होते हैं वो हिंदी ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं आता ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन भाषा ज़्यादा आसानी से हो जाता है, समझ आ जाता है इसलिए. बट if I teach completely Hindi, then South Indian people feel uncomfortable regarding. That's why I have to teach both in Hindi as well as English. So don't bother about this. I'll take in both the languages. Clear, simultaneous. Whatever I'm going to tell in Hindi, the same thing I'll be going to tell in English. No issue. That is bilingual. Is it clear? Now this current is, this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. I have taken the polarity in order to make you understand. मैंने polarity लिया है कि आप समझ जाए. कैपेसिटर के अक्रॉस इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू राइट द वोल्टेज, बट कैपेसिटर करंट कैन बी रिटन. बट कैपेसिटर करंट कैन बी रिटन. कैपेसिटर के पास वोल्टेज नहीं लिखा जाता बल्कि करंट लिखा जाता है आसानी से. फार्मूला ये होता है सी डी वी सी अपॉन डी टी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट यू हैव ऑल्सो स्टडीड, that is C dVc upon dt. This is what the capacitor current. But now current is moving like that. What is the first polarity? I am writing this as plus. What is the first polarity over here? Minus. I'll be writing it as minus. This is what the way, or this is what the process to write this in terms of capacitor current, capacitor voltage, inductor current, inductor voltage. Now I hope you got the idea. This is a very very simple phenomena or simple process to explain plus and minus. What is the nature's rule? ऑलवेज फ्लो फ्रॉम प्लस टू माइनस, ऑलवेज फ्लो फ्रॉम प्लस टू. प्रकृति की नियम क्या है? हमेशा ज्यादा से कम, ज्यादा का मतलब प्लस, कम का मतलब माइनस. ये नेचर का प्रक्रिया है और आपको इसको मानना पड़ेगा, अनलेस एंड अनटिल उल्टा चीज दे दिया गया हो. क्लियर है? यहाँ पर बात समझ में आया? नाउ अगेन say for example this is nothing but resistance R, voltage V, this is plus and this is minus. Say current is moving like that. Now V is equal to IR. What is this? Plus IR or minus IR? Current is moving like that. It means first polarity plus, that is plus IR. प्लस आई आर का मतलब हो सकता है +5 वोल्ट, +6 वोल्ट, +7 वोल्ट, +8 वोल्ट, वट एवर बी द वोल्टेज आई विल बी राइटिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लस. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What I need to explain over here, that current is moving in this direction, and this direction is from plus to minus. Plus to minus means high to low or low to high. This is high, this is low. Current is moving in the direction from high to low. High to low means rising or falling. Falling means rise or drop. So all positive voltages are also called as voltage drop. Is it clear or not? All positive voltages are written in terms of decreasing voltages. That's why they are called as voltage drop. आपने भी सुना होगा, you might have also heard that voltage drop across certain element, voltage drop across certain resistor. So drop means plus to minus. See, if the current is moving like that, V is equal to, if current is moving like that, what is the first polarity? Minus. Then it will be written in terms of minus IR. Minus IR means -5 volt, -6 volt, -7 volt, whatever be. Whatever you are going to write, that's up to you, whatever be the voltage. But this is, but this represents direction is from minus to plus. Is it clear? That is low to high. Low to high means drop or rise. This voltage is called as voltage rise, but this is the nature's process, that is from high to low. So this we are going to consider always. Is it clear or not? This is against the nature process. But if in question it is assumed given this direction, that you have to consider the direction. But I hope you might have got the idea that what is the meaning of plus IR and minus IR. Now again, plus minus, voltage V, resistance R, I, 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 I. But polarity is like that, V. Now if I want to write the power, if I want to write the power, सबसे पहली बात मैं आपको power के बारे में एक चीज explain कर दूं. I need to explain something about power, that if you want to write the a formula for power, you can write in terms of voltage and current, that is the product of V and I. If you want to write in terms of current and resistance, that is I square R. If you want to write in terms of voltage and resistance, that is V square by R. All formulas are equivalent. All formulas will give finally the same answer, unless and until the concept of induction is involved. For example, if you are studying induced EMF like that, in that you have to judge either V square by R will be the correct answer or I square R will be the correct answer. But as per the subject of electronics, we are not going to consider as an induced EMF, because induced EMF is the part of electromagnetic theory. So in electromagnetic theory, that you have to discuss that sometimes eddy current you are going to discuss. Once you discuss eddy current, in that case you have to go for either I square R or V square by R. That depends on the topic, depends on the subject that you have to judge. But here, no induced EMF, nothing. So you can use any of the three formula, I square R, V square by R, or simply you can use it as VI, product of VI. क्लियर है यहाँ पर बात समझ? तो मैं वोल्टेज और करंट के टर्म्स में लिखता हूँ. यहाँ पर पावर को लिख देता हूँ प्लस वी आई, यहाँ पर पावर को लिख देता हूँ माइनस वी आई. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? How plus Vi? If current is moving in this direction, what is the first polarity? Plus. I'm writing plus. If current is moving in this direction, what is the first polarity? Minus. I'm writing here minus direction, minus Vi. Is it clear or not? Positive powers are also called as consumed power. Power consumed. Negative powers are also called as delivered power. Delivered. You have to deliver something. That's why this is called as delivered power. Is it clear or not? So now let us see the physical significance of what is the meaning of delivered power as well as what is the meaning of consumed power. इसका कंप्लीट लेक्चर जो है हम लोगों के ऐप पे साइटेक स्टडी पे है. कंप्लीट कोर्स हम लोगों का वहाँ चलता है. आप चाहें तो वहाँ से कंप्लीट कोर्स बाय करके आप लोग जो है देख सकते हैं. सबसे हमारे यहाँ आप जो है सब्जेक्ट वाइज भी अगर चाहें तो आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. पर सब्जेक्ट हम लोग चार्ज करते हैं 1500. और अगर कंप्लीट रिकॉर्डिंग लेक्चर लेना है तो 12,500 करके हम लोग चार्ज करते हैं. अगर लाइव आप परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो दैट विल बी 19,500. जिनका नेट ऑलरेडी क्वालिफाइड है, जो जेआरएफ के लिए परचेज करना चाह रहे हैं, तो क्योंकि a lot of IIT students are there with us, they are already net qualified, they are searching for JRF, तो in that case we provide 2000 additional discount in full course syllabus. is it clear? तो आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है. क्लियर? तो सब्जेक्ट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ज़्यादा इन सब चीज़ों पे बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस जो हम लोगों का मेन टॉपिक है उस पर हम लोग if we focus, then that will be much better. These all things are secondary. Is it clear or not? Now, for example, if I consider a conductor piece of conductor, or piece of metal, say for example, या conductor आप consider कर लीजिए. Either you consider a piece of conductor. See, current is moving in this direction. This voltage V. Current is moving in this direction. This voltage V. I. 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 Power in this case plus Vi. Power in this case minus Vi. Why minus Vi? If current is moving in this direction, what is the first polarity? Minus. Minus Vi. Current is moving in this direction, what is the first polarity? Plus. I'm writing here it as plus Vi. This power is called as consumed power. This power is called as delivered power. Now, why it is called as delivered power, that I'm going to explain. Then consumed power you can understand by yourself at your home. Say for example, piece of metal having full large number of electrons in this. Is it clear or not? See, entire current outside it is moving in this direction. It is marked here. You can check this. Current का direction ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ है. Current का direction is from top to bottom. But electron is going to attract with this positive charge. This is the positive charge, and electron will have an affinity or have an attraction towards this positive. And the direction of electron current is always opposite to the direction of flow of electron. It means the current because of the flow of electron will be in this direction. Is it because Electron is flowing towards downward side, current will be upward side. Now, in any wire, it is not possible to have two current like this and like this. Is it clear or not? I hope you got the idea. It is not possible. Say for example 2 ampere is coming like that, 2 after 2 एम्पियर करंट यहाँ पर आया है, थोड़ी देर आने के बाद बोला 2 एम्पियर में से आधे एम्पियर को मजा नहीं आया तो 1.5 एम्पियर को बोला भाई 1.5 तुम इधर जाओ, एंड 0.5 वापस ऐसे लौट गया। क्लियर है यहाँ पर बात समझ में आया? तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल लाइक दैट। इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? Current is a unidirectional quantity, either in this direction or in this direction. But here the same concept arises. See, some current is from top to bottom, and inside a small current because of electron is moving like that. It is not possible. Is it clear or not? Current is either from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Only one. So the overall current I have marked in the circuit, if you try to understand, this is from top to bottom. See, फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, तो अंदर का करंट भी जो है टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ होना ही चाहिए। इट मींस electron, if the entire current is from top to bottom, so inner current will also be from top to bottom. It means flow of electron towards up, flow of electron will be towards upward. क्लियर है यहाँ पर? अगर in order to see, if positive charge is here, positive charge is here, electron will get attracted here and the current will be in opposite direction upward, but I need current in the downward direction. So what is required? Some additional power, additional ताकत जो है electron को we have to deliver, so that electron must flow opposite to this polarity ऊपर की तरफ and current will flow towards downward. I hope you got that. If we will not deliver power to this electron, electron will move towards positive side and current will move towards upward side, which is against the nature's rule. So we have to deliver some power to this electron such that electron can move against this polarity, against this positive, so that electron can move upward and current will flow downward, because we have to make the net current flow towards downward. इसका मतलब हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि पावर डिलीवर्ड का मतलब कुछ मिलेगा उलेगा नहीं, पावर डिलीवर्ड का मतलब कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, बल्कि वी हैव टू डिलीवर सम पावर टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन, so that electron must move opposite to this polarity, positive polarity, so that net current should match exactly with the direction of current which is outside has been mentioned. Is it clear or not? I hope you got the idea. Power deliver का मतलब आपको ये चीज समझ आ गई होगी। Is it clear? So I hope you got the idea. There is nothing mushkil or something difficult like that. You can understand very easily. Is it clear? So power deliver means we will get some power, or we have to deliver some power. We have to deliver some power such that net circuit will be balanced. Is it clear or not? So now next आगे चलते हैं। नाउ इफ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, देखिए जरा सा हम लोग आगे चलते हैं, ठीक है ना? So this is plus and this is minus. This is V. So this positive की तरफ का वोल्टेज, फॉर एग्जांपल VA, नेगेटिव की तरफ का वोल्टेज, नेगेटिव की तरफ का वोल्टेज से फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज नथिंग बट VB। तो टोटल ओवरऑल वोल्टेज जो लिखा जाता है ना, वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के टर्म्स में लिखा जाता है। जैसे पॉजिटिव की तरफ का नाम VA है, नेगेटिव की तरफ का नाम सिर्फ लिखिए VB, बस बीच में एक माइनस साइन लगा दिए। दिस इज नथिंग बट सिंपली VA माइनस VB। दिस इज द ओवरऑल पोटेंशियल, दैट इज नथिंग बट V इज इक्वल टू VA माइनस VB। इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? नाउ आगे चलते हैं। नाउ फर्दर, say for example this is plus and this is minus, this is V is equal to 5 volt and this voltage is equal to VA, this voltage is equal to VB। तो V is equal to क्या फॉर्मूला हुआ? VA लिखना, VB लिखना, बीच में माइनस लगाना, VA माइनस VB। अगेन V तो 5 वोल्ट है, VA माइनस VB। अब क्वेश्चन ये है 5 वोल्ट लाने के लिए, 5 वोल्ट लाने के लिए VA और VB का क्या पॉसिबल वैल्यूज होगा? अच्छा, एक ही इक्वेशन है, एक इक्वेशन है, अननोन कितने हैं? 2। इस केस में तो इनफाइनाइट में नहीं सॉल्यूशन हो जाता है मैट्रिक्स का भाषा में, इक्वेशन इन आप पढ़े होंगे है ना? तो कई सारे वैल्यूज हो सकते हैं। फिजिकली अगर आप देखना चाहें तो 5 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू वीए को अगर 5 मान लिया जाए माइनस वीबी को अगर 0 मान लिया जाए तो 5 आ जाएगा। 5 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू वीए को ग्राउंड 0 मान लिया जाए, वीबी को -5 मान लिया जाए, तब भी 5 आ जाएगा। अच्छा 0 वोल्ट और बहुत आसान है निकालना, -5 भी, 0 का मतलब तो चलो ग्राउंड होता है, ग्राउंड या फिर डेटम, यू कैन कॉल डेटम नोड। -5 is also very easily possible if I might have studied op-amp, that is plus V saturation and minus V saturation. So positive voltages are available, negative voltages are available, you can very easily calculate. Again और possible values देखते हैं। 5 volt is the final answer that we have to bring VA। 3 volt minus 2 volt, still it is 5 volt। A lot of combinations are possible if you will try to make combination। there are how many combinations बताइए जरा सा, infinite possible combinations, but whatever be the value of VA, VB, VA, VB, whatever be the value of VA, VB, what is the final answer? 5 volt। इसका मतलब 5 volt is the unique answer। VA and VB can change, any value of possible VA and VB can have, see, any values। if you take this as 1000, you take it as 995, still it is nothing but simply 5 volt। is it clear or not? The possible values of VA and VB can be anything, but the final answer should be 5। it means we are not bother about VA, we are not bother about VB, but we are bother only about 5। इसका मतलब VA is the potential of this point, VB is the potential of this point। we are not interested in the potential of the 2 points, rather we are interested in the difference of potential of the 2 point, that is the final answer 5 volt। it means point का voltage, the voltage at particular point VA VB cannot be calculated or estimated, but the difference can be finally calculated, and that result is nothing but 5। that's why we are not calling it as potential of particular point, rather potential difference बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स। हमेशा ये ध्यान रखिए, कोई 5 वोल्ट 6 वोल्ट कभी अगर दिया है आपको क्वेश्चन में, तो इट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू पोटेंशियल्स, इट इज नॉट ओनली पोटेंशियल ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट। एंड दिस टाइप दिस, ये इतना बेसिक कंसेप्ट है, देखिए जरा सा। और ये पूरा ट्रांजिस्टर का जो क्वेश्चन है वो इसी पे होता है। क्लियर है यहाँ पर बात समझ में? जैसे बीजेटी हो गया आपका, एफईटी हो गया आपका, तो ये बिल्कुल बहुत बेसिक है, कोई बहुत ज्यादा एडवांस चीज मैंने नहीं बताया है। दिस वर द बेसिक है ना। तो यू मस्ट बी वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल रिगार्डिंग द बेसिक्स। इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल रिगार्डिंग बेसिक्स, देन एडवांस यू कैन वेरी इजीली क्लियर। सो एडवांस अपने आप में कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है अगर यू आर वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल इन बेसिक्स। बेसिक पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए। मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं, आप जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग नेट एग्जामिनेशन और यू आर गोइंग टू अटेंड द गेट एग्जामिनेशन, वट एवर बी द एग्जाम यू आर गोइंग टू अटेंड, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अटेंड द IIT जैम एग्जामिनेशन, IIT जैम का पेपर अगर आप अटेंड करते हैं, आई एम डिस्कसिंग अबाउट फिजिक्स ब्रांच, आई एम डिस्कसिंग अबाउट फिजिक्स ब्रांच ओनली। देखिए इसमें मैं सही अगर आपको बताऊं तो 50% क्वेश्चन तो बेसिक पे ही होता है, एडवांस तो बहुत कम होता है। क्लियर है यहाँ पर बात समझ में आया, नहीं समझ में आया? और क्रैक करने के लिए तो बहुत कम नंबर पे ही क्रैक हो जाता है। क्लियर है बात समझ में आया? तो कोशिश ये करिए कि बेसिक बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत रखिए। आजकल तो ऑनलाइन का ज़माना है, लोग अभी भी पता नहीं क्यों ऑफलाइन तलाश कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं। आजकल ऑनलाइन ही इतना स्टफ है कि घर बैठे आप एक्सेस करिए, घर बैठे आप पढ़िए, अपना समय बचाइए, अपना पैसा बचाइए, है ना। कम से कम पैसे में आप चीज़ों को ले सकते हैं। हाँ, कोशिश ये करिए कि जहाँ भी आप लोग ज्वाइन करिए वहाँ जो है सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का डेमो ले लीजिए, डेमो ले लिए, ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स डेमो। इफ यू आर सेटिस्फाइड विद ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स डेमो देन ओनली प्रोसीड। उसमें ये देखना ज़रूरी है कि टीचर का न्यूमेरिकल अप्रोच बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क, एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क न्यूमेरिकल्स ओनली। थ्योरी के लिए एग्जामिनेशन में कोई जगह नहीं है। क्लियर? तो कोई भी नहीं, गुड लक, ऑल द बेस्ट। होप यू गॉट कंफर्टेबल, यू हैव गॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दिस। आई होप you got the basic clear. So till then we'll meet by today evening itself also. Thank you very much.